Good morning, students. As you know, our new chapter that is Heat, Light, and Sound is started. And today I'm going to give you the idea about heat and different modes of transfer of heat. What is heat? Heat is the transfer of energy from a higher temperature object towards a lower temperature object. If one object having high temperature, then heat will transfer from it towards the object that having very low temperature. So heat is basically the form of energy that transfer from one object to another object. Here you can see the warmer object and the cooler object, both having a thermometer attached to them. Warmer object transfer its heat towards the cooler object. As we know, the temperature is the hot or cold nature of something, and heat is basically the transfer of that energy from one object to another object due to the difference between the temperature. If there is no difference between the temperature of two objects, then there is no transfer of heat. If you are going to touch the hot stove, then the energy of that stove will enter into your body because the heat energy of that stove is higher, and the energy, the temperature of your body is lower. That's why heat from that stove is transferred towards your body and you feel warmer. If you are going to touch the cooler object, for example you are touching the piece of ice, then that thermal energy, that heat energy, therm means heat, then that thermal energy from your body transfer towards the ice. That's why you feel colder ice. Here you can see the flow of heat. In this first figure, you can see the cup of coffee that is hot and the surrounding is cooler. So, as I told you, in a heat, there is a flow of temperature. This hot cup of coffee having a higher temperature and the surrounding having a very low temperature. So that's why heat from this hotter cup of coffee transfer or move towards the surrounding. In this second figure, you can see the cooler can of cold drink, and surrounding is warmer as compared to this can. So that's why heat from the surrounding transfer or move towards this can. So heat is basically the flow of energy from higher temperature object towards the lower temperature object. If the surrounding is cooler as compared to the object, then heat from object move towards the surrounding. If the object having a very low temperature as compared to surrounding, then heat from the surrounding will move towards that cooler object. There are three different modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, and radiation. First, we are going to discuss about the conduction. That what is conduction? Conduction is the most common way to heat a solid. It involves heating one part of the object. Here you can see you are heating one part of the object. Because of that heating, the molecules of this object start moving. The particles of this object start moving, start vibrating. Due to that vibration, the heat is transferred from one part of this object towards the other part. And the point where you are holding, heat come to that point and you feel heat. So this is the mode of transfer of heat which names as conduction. In a conduction, there is a direct contact. Here you can see the another example of conduction. Here you can see the saucepan. While you are heating the saucepan, the heat is transferred to the other part of this saucepan by the vibration of the molecules of this saucepan. And when that heat is come to the handle of the saucepan, you feel it hotter due to the conduction of heat. In a conduction, heat is transferred when there is a direct contact between the two objects. Here you can see the another example of conduction. The point from where you are heating having a higher temperature as compared to the point that is not in a direct heating. So this point where the flame is on having a more temperature. This is a thermometer having more temperature. And this is the point that is little bit away from the heat having a less temperature. And here you can see a very low temperature. So heat is transferring from one part towards the another part. Next mode of transfer of heat is convection. Conduction takes place in solids. Convection takes place in liquids and gases. When you are talking about the transfer of a heat in the liquids and the gases, the term that is used is convection. For example, you are boiling the water. The molecules that are at the bottom heat up first and start moving towards upward. And the molecules that are cooler at the top start moving towards downward. In this way, whole the molecules of the water will heat up. This is called as convection. That temperature from higher molecules move towards the temperature of lower molecule by their movement. Here you can see the example of convection in air, in gases. Warm air having a lighter weight, it will start moving towards upward, and cool air having a higher weight, it will move towards downward. In this way, all the air of the surrounding will warm up. This mode of transfer of heat from cool air to warm air is called as convection. Next mode of transfer of heat is radiation. You can better understand this radiation from the major source of heat, that is sun. As we know, the sun is the major source of energy. Sun provides us energy in the form of heat, and that heat moves as radiation. That heat moves in the form of waves, in the form of radiation. In this figure, you can observe the three modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction takes place in solids when there is a direct contact between objects. You can see this rod is heated from one end and that heat is transferred towards the other end of this rod. In this convection, you can see the warm air move towards the upward, and that makes you feel warmer. You can feel radiation when you are more heat in the form of radiation when you are too closer towards the hot object. And if your hands are little bit away from this, then you will feel less heat in the form of waves as compared to when you are closer towards the hotter object. So radiation is the transfer of heat in the form of waves. Conduction is the transfer of heat in solids. And convection is the transfer of heat from high temperature towards the lower temperature in liquids and gases. Here you can see conduction, convection and radiation. The transfer of thermal energy from one material to another by direct contact. In convection, the transfer of thermal energy by the circulation of movement of liquid or gas. And in radiation, when energy is absorbed by the surface, it heats the surface. In your microwave ovens, there is the transfer of heat in the form of radiation in microwave ovens. In a parachute, there is a transfer of heat in the form of convection. And in this figure, you can see the two objects, the hand of this man and this material having this metallic material having a direct contact. That's why there is a transfer of heat in the form of conduction.